Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mapping the syllabus to reliable sources. This saves time later. Open NCERT and one standard book per topic, then pick a current affairs tracker. Once done, block 8-10 hours weekly for focused study and logging. Make sure to maintain a topic log with date, source, and one-line summary so you can revisit quickly. Start active reading immediately, underline, write one-sentence notes, and turn headings into questions you will answer later. Now focus on concept building. Transform notes into concept maps and one-page topic sheets. This forces clarity. As you read, connect theory to policy and real-world tech examples so answers look analytical. Once you create a sheet, apply spaced repetition, review after 1 day, 7 days, and 30 days. Make sure to practice answer outlines for mains and 10-15 MCQs for prelims per topic. Alternate active recall with timed writing to build speed and depth. Finish by converting knowledge into performance. Simulate prelims and write 8-10 mains answers weekly under timed conditions to test recall. Once tests are graded, use an error log to pinpoint weak spots and restudy only with your one-page summaries and concept maps. If progress stalls, change the source or discuss with a peer or mentor. This breaks the loop of passive rereading. Make sure to maintain consistency. Short, focused corrections beat long.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.